Sarah, there's a little surprise there for you in the toilet. Why don't you check it out?
Oh my word. Did you know that was there? Sick, baby. Boy,
yummy. Hi, my name is Jamie.
My name is Sarah, and this is our newest house flip. So what I really like about this house is how open it is. You walk into this big space. So it's got these nice vaulted ceilings. It just feels really warm and cozy in here. We're gonna definitely make it more seamless and that kind of thing, but this is a really cool living space. So this is a 4-bed, 2-bath, about 2,000 square feet. It's on about 2 acres. It's a really beautiful property. It's in a really nice, desirable part of town, which we're excited about. So we're gonna put in some nice high-end finishes in this one. We're gonna put in some quartz countertop, seamless flooring throughout, just to give it that really high-end look. So this is pretty much just a cosmetic flip. It was built in 2000, so the bones are really pretty new, but we're gonna put in just all new finishes, new cabinets, new flooring, get some really nice lighting in here going on, and just make it really modern and fresh.
All right, so we bought this house for $185,000, and we are hoping to put about $20,000 into it. As Sarah said, it's just cosmetic improvements that we're doing. There's not a whole lot of major mechanical work that needs to be done. So at an all-in price of $205,000, we're hoping to sell it when we hit the spring market for $275,000. After closing costs, we're estimating about 20 grand for closing costs. We're hoping to profit around $50,000 on this property. We're hoping to take you around the outside, but it's just too windy out there to record. But it's a really beautiful property, and I think it'll be a major selling point in the house. So we want you guys to get as much value out of these videos as possible. So if there's any questions you guys have or things that we're not covering that you're interested in, feel free to comment below and we'll do our best to address them in this flip. I know there's probably some things that we missed in our last videos, so just let us know and we'll do our best. All right, so let's go check out the bathroom. At first glance, it doesn't look so bad, but they did a really DIY terrible job at their jacuzzi tub. There used to be a tub shower in here, but they just plopped this bad boy in and then did a terrible job at their tile work. So we're probably gonna just demo everything out and make it nice and modern, do a lot of black and white type stuff like that.
So this is the master bedroom. It's pretty cool. It has these vaulted ceilings. It walks into that bigger bathroom. It just really needs to be painted and some new flooring, but this will be a really nice bedroom.
So now if we go down to the basement, I'll show you around. It's a fully finished basement. There's this nice fireplace here. And then there's 2 more bedrooms downstairs. So we have one here with this nice big window and double closet, and then another lovely purple room back here. So this is the one wildcard we just discovered with this flip. Came over today and the heat actually was not working. And we look at this furnace here, there's some moisture down in there, looks like some rust, and it wasn't working properly. So something definitely is wrong with it. Hopefully we can just repair it and don't have to replace it. So a lot of people have been asking where we find our real estate deals, and the answer is that we've been buying from a wholesaler, and that's kind of a complex topic that we'll cover in another video, but basically we have a middleman who finds deals for us, and then we buy them from him, and he takes a small commission for his efforts.
So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to follow along with our flip.
For all you city folk, this here is what they call the pig. Heat your house.